Greetings and welcome to the virtual tour of the Asian Pacific American Cultural Center. My name is Carl and I have the honor of serving as the assistant director for our office, and I will be your tour guide today. First of all, the LSC renovations finished in 2014, and the wall we're looking at used to be the outside wall, the old APACC office. So the entire office inside is new. When we moved in, we also designed a new graphic, and you see that on the left. It consists of 5 bars, each representing a different element. From the top, they represent clouds, wind, sun, plants, and ground. As we move inside, many of you might be used to being blocked by a big desk with a friendly administrative assistant greeting you. In my day, it was Kate Douglas and Heidi Patel. You would also see 2 offices behind them, and there would be computers for students to the right of that. But now it opens up to the main lounge area where students are able to hang out. Turn to our left and you'll see our front desk. What's up, DJ? And as we move further into the office, to our left you'll see our current director Joanne's office in the corner. The other door leads to a space that is reserved for our student staff. There's a computer in there for them, and they can store some of their personal items. We have a wonderful wall of windows for tons of natural light, which keeps our space fresh and bright. And here's a long view of our office space. We've made some recent changes because of COVID restrictions, but the students take ownership of how this space is laid out. We hang community art on the far wall and have advertisements for campus events on the column to the right. You'll see a door back there too that leads to the Native American Cultural Center. We usually keep snacks on these shelves coming up, but they're filled with cleaning supplies, and you'll see 2 more offices for professional staff back there. One of the things we kept from before the renovations was the Where's Home map for students to identify where they're from, and you'll see our tribute plaque to the late, great, and first director of APACC, Dr. Linda Ahuna Hamill. That's it for the tour of our space. Here's a little flash of what it looks like outside. We hope you'll come visit soon. You'll find us in LSC 333. And of course, shout out to Maget for a steady hand in filming this particular adventure. Peace out, y'all.